Um, Commander Morning. Today, Shila, we first cut to discuss the issue of Usan Fosao, and we are here to ensure that we are an official union that is going to represent abasebenzi accordingly, and the issue that is burning la is the issue of is an issue of LEPs. Sikhuluma ngani ke lapho sikhuluma ngani nge-exemption yokuthi inkampani has been granted years i-exemption yokuthi ingabakhokheli abasebenzi ngendlela ekufanele ibakhokhele ngayo. Sekukhona abasebenzi efana ngabe basempeshenini abakwazi ukuya empeshenini because babuka imali zabo ngendlela ezikhathwe ngayo, ngendlela ekufanele ngabe bahola ngayo, nge-rate efanele ngabe bahola ngayo bengaholi ngayo. So they are here now to say asikwazi, siyacela Sanfosa ukuthi nisilekelele to ensure that imali yethu igcina itholakala yonke iphelele. Sicela nama branch ke ngoba kunama branch amaningi aka First Cut, and ama branch aka First Cut sicela sijoyine njenge Sanfosa. Sifuna ukwenza increase the number that is going to make us taking our decisions in the First Cut. So that's why we are here today. Siyabonga ukuthi khona abasebenzi bethu nama members wethu are up and running to ensure that justice has been served. So njengamanje ke kungakho ubona similar phambi kwa First Cut besemhlanganweni ne management kanye ne employers rep sizo discuss issue union. Ama grievances sitheke sizobuya sesizowa discuss after signing in a contract nabo ethi we are now granted ukuthi sizoba one of the official locals unions akhona kwa First Cut. So ke siyacela ukuthi wonke ama branches sizwele ukuthi there is a branch in Cape Town, there's a branch in Mpumalanga, in Durban, and other areas. So we need all those branches. Bazi ukuthi we are here as a Sanfosa. Is there anything that you can say?
Okubalulekile nje kakhulu kuba basebenzi kakhulukazi baka First Cut nabo bonke abasebenzi le industrial area esikuyona yase Penrose, and also other industrial areas, Wadeville and others around Johannesburg and the Gauteng area, that South Africa is not for sale workers union. We have an office in Braamfontein where you can reach us. Also, Nase KZN, we have an office in Durban. We need abasebenzi ngobuningi babo. Kufanele sikhulume ngezwe elilodwa singabasebenzi. Namhlanje besizolwa ukuconclude i-agreement of recognition by First Cut, but sidinga abasebenzi base First Cut basijoyine ngobuningi babo nabasebenzi across all industries and all sectors within i-economy yethu yase South Africa. Ngiyabonga.
Yeah, mhlambe I'll just mention ukuthi uzizwa unjani after sesingenile la kwa First Cut. Awuthi nje uku-highlighter izinto lezo ukuthi how do you feel now? Sesikhona ka First Cut, sesiya-recognizwa njenge-union, siyazi ukuthi kade nikulwela lokho. So how do you feel about it? And uyibona ikusasa le-union yenzakanani lesi simo sakwa First Cut?
Commander, sijabule kakhulu.
Yeah.
Sijabule kakhulu. Sisilindile lesikhathi.
Yeah.
Sibona umsebenzi Angeke siphinde sibone umsebenzi onyathelekayo, ocindezelekayo kuyo le industry nakulo le company esingaphansi kwayo.
Yeah.
Sijabule kakhulu and sifisa ngathi nabanye abasebenzi abanathi ibranch yase Cape Town, ibranch yase Durban, eMpumalanga bangasjoyina sibe into yodwa ukulisana nokuhlukumezeka. Sihlukumezeke kakhulu sabasebenzi bale company since from 2019 up to manje sihlukumezeke kakhulu.
Yes, sir.
Siphile isikhathi eside. Ngina 4 years siphila ngesalary 1 which is kunzima kakhulu. Siyabonga inkokheli.
Yeah.
Sibonga kakhulu. Sicela nabanye abasebenzi bala eBenrose bahambe nathi sehlele umnehlo siye Braamfontein. Sibonga neoffice enisivulele khona.
Yeah.
eGauteng.
Yeah.
Ngoba besikhuluma nani nesikude nani kude.
Yeah.
But namhlanje siseduze sonke. Siyabonga.
Kanti this one ngicela uqale phansi lalela.
Yeah.
Ngicela ungakhulumi ngama issues ngoba bazosuke bakucharge manje ngani
Disrepute.
le disrepute.